Welcome. Most men give compliments that women forget within seconds. But say the right three, and she'll keep replaying your words in her mind, thinking about you long after the conversation ends. These aren't cheesy pickup lines. They're psychological triggers used by stoic, emotionally grounded men who attract attention naturally without chasing anyone. Part 1. Why most compliments make you look weak. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most men compliment women from a place of need. They say things like, "You're beautiful," "You're amazing," or "You're perfect." The problem? These compliments are generic and often place her above you. When a woman feels you're seeking her approval, attraction can fade. A woman doesn't want to be worshipped. She wants to feel understood. She wants to feel that your attention is valuable and not given away freely. Stoic power tip. Marcus Aurelius observed more than he spoke. When he spoke, his words carried weight. Make sure your compliments feel genuine, not calculated. Part 2. Compliment number 1. There's something dark in your eyes. I like it. This isn't about her appearance. It's about creating mystery. It makes her wonder what exactly you see in her. Instead of focusing on surface beauty, you're speaking to something deeper. And that's what makes it memorable. Practical usage. Say it calmly. Hold eye contact, then stay silent. Let the moment breathe.